Your home may seem like the safest place, but it's often filled with hidden dangers lurking in everyday household products. Cleaning products, for example, are essential for maintaining hygiene but can contain harmful chemicals such as ammonia, bleach, and formaldehyde. These substances, while effective, pose significant health risks. Prolonged exposure can cause respiratory problems, skin irritation, and other long-term effects. Worse, mixing certain products like bleach and ammonia creates toxic gases that can lead to serious health emergencies. Ensuring proper ventilation and carefully reading product labels are simple yet vital steps for reducing these risks. Air fresheners, scented candles, and sprays add a pleasant aroma to your home, but many release harmful volatile organic compounds VOCs and phthalates. These chemicals contribute to indoor air pollution, which is often worse than outdoor air. They can aggravate allergies, disrupt hormones, and harm respiratory health. Opting for natural alternatives, such as essential oils or beeswax candles, is a safer choice for freshening the air in your living space. Skincare and cosmetic products also harbor hidden risks. Items containing parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances may irritate sensitive skin and disrupt hormone levels. These ingredients have been linked to endocrine issues, making it crucial to opt for products that are organic, cruelty-free, and free of synthetic additives. Even the kitchen isn't free from hidden dangers. Non-stick cookware often contains chemicals like PFOA, which can leach into food when heated to high temperatures, posing long-term health risks. Similarly, plastic containers, especially when microwaved, may release harmful chemicals like BPA, which can affect hormone levels and potentially lead to chronic health conditions. Replacing plastic containers with glass or stainless steel and switching to safer cookware options are simple ways to minimize these risks. Lastly, household items such as furniture, rugs, and fabrics often contain flame retardants and stain repellents that release toxic substances over time. These chemicals can accumulate in dust and be inhaled or ingested, leading to potential developmental, neurological, or reproductive issues. Vacuuming regularly, using HEPA filters, and choosing products labeled as free of harmful chemicals can help mitigate these dangers. By making mindful choices, such as reading labels, opting for eco-friendly products, and reducing reliance on synthetic chemicals, you can create a safer and healthier environment for you and your loved ones. Awareness is key, and small changes can make a big difference in reducing exposure to these hidden dangers. Join us as we uncover more risks to help you take control of your home's safety. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more eye-opening insights into the unseen threats around us.